Hi, my name is Maggie. I'm here today to show you how to put a patch inside a jeans leg to cover the hole so that your leg won't be showing through. Okay, I've taken a piece of cotton fabric. I turned in the edges on the inside, the raw edges, all the way around to make a hem so the raw edges aren't sticking out. It's an adequate hem. Not perfect, but it'll do. Now I'm going to take the patch, and the owner of the jeans wants the pretty part to show out. So I'm going to put the patch inside the pant leg, like so. And the next thing I'll do is pin it. I'm gonna have to turn the pant leg inside out. And the patch will go like so, pretty side facing out. You can see that I pinned the patch onto the jeans. And one thing I want to point out that's kind of important when you're using a sewing machine, you want to have all those pins going in the exact same direction. The pin head is toward me. That way you can pull out the pin. You also don't want to run over your pin. Make sure you don't do that with a sewing machine needle. Okay, I'm ready to sew the patch. One thing I'm going to do before I start, and that is pull my bottom thread up, because it can get tangled. Here we go. A few stitches forward, a few back to lock them, and I'm basically just sewing around the seam that I already made. It's a nice guide. Now, turning. What I'm going to have to do is get my needle out of there and turn the pants. This would not be possible except we have a nice open area up near the waist of the pants. All right, pull the pins out as you go. Pull all that extra fabric out of there. You don't want to stitch on it. My final stitch here of the 4 sides. Here we go. All right. I'm ending at approximately the same place. Cut your threads, pull it off your machine, and there's another thread or two to cut on the front. Here, and another one here. So I just showed you how to repair a pair of jeans that had a hole in. Remember, if you ever have any garment that you like and want to continue wearing, just because it has a hole in it doesn't mean you have to throw it out. You can repair it, just as I showed you.